Hi guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Okay, so we had some confusion in the last video, and this is the same topic, which is how to create risk matrix by your own 5x5 risk matrix actually. So this is a Word file. I have just opened the Word. So I will go to the insert and I will create a table. I need 6 rows and 6 columns. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Sorry, yeah. Okay, I will make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so from here we will start. The first is likelihood will be the left side, which will start from 5, and that will be frequent. I will also the second will be 4, and which is often. Then third, which is likely. Then 2, which is possible, and then 1, which is rare. So now we start from here, which is 1, and that is consequences. This will be insignificant. Two, minor. 3, moderate, and then 4, that is major, and then 5th is catastrophic, or you can also call it severe. Okay, yeah. I will also tell you how you can get these frequent, often, likely, possible, rare, and also insignificant consequences, minor, moderate, major, catastrophic. There will be also some confusion when you are watching this video, that how you will know when you are carrying risk assessment that the likelihood is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or the consequences 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will have another video on this one. I don't want this video to be so long. So let's start it. From here we will start like from down to up. From down to up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so from here again 2, 3, 4, 5. From here 4, 6, because see, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Okay, so you can put it 8 here, and then 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Okay, the third we will start with the 3. The same, we can multiply this 3 with 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Then again this 4 we will multiply with what? With 4. Okay, 4 will be multiplied by 4. So let's start. Sorry, with 2, multiply by 2. So we'll start the same. 4 is 1, 4 multiplied by 8 is 8, 2 is 8, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Okay, so 5 again, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, and 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay, so see, now with us we have 1, 2, 3. We have green. Okay, we have what? Where is the color? This one. So the 3 again, 1 2 3 is the same. Okay, so then 4 and 5 we have what you can see 4 and 5 which is okay, first of all let me also clear that one with you. This is low risk. Okay, 2 is also low risk, low risk, and 3 is also we have low risk. Then 4 we have moderate risk. Okay, 5 we have also moderate risk. Okay, again 4 is with us moderate. Okay, 6 is with us moderate. 4 is moderate. 6 again is moderate, and then 8 is high risk. 10 is also high risk. 9 is high risk. 12 is high risk. 15 is extreme. Okay, 5 again here is moderate. 10 is high risk. 15 is extreme. 8 is moderate. 12 is high. 16 is extreme. 20 is extreme. 25 is also extreme, and then 20 is also extreme. Okay, so moderate with we have moderate yellow. We'll give them yellow color. Okay, all moderate should have yellow color. Yes, yellow color, yellow, and then yellow. High we have orange. Orange colors. High risk, orange color. And then extreme we have red colors. Okay, these are the red extreme. Okay, so this was our 5x5 risk matrix. Next video inshallah will also explain that how you can evaluate the likelihood and also the consequences. So whenever you go for risk assessment and you are calculating the risk matrix or the risk level, so you can say that yes, if the likelihood, for example, 4 with 2, 5 with 1, so it will be 5. 4 with 2, it will be what? It will be 8. Okay, so in that case you will understand that how to create a risk matrix, how to evaluate the risk level, that is likelihood and consequences, and you can go for it. Thank you so much.